उसकी आवाज ही ना वो भी आ रही
मेरी जान है तू मेरा अरमान है तू मेरी जान है क्या बोला तू मेरा
मेरे लिए गा
नी मैं शक्ल मनावा नी मैं देवा दुआवा नी मैं शक्ल मनावा नी मैं देवा दुआवा मैं कमली नाम करावा मैं कोई रटन लगावा
सुन लिया सबने उनके लिए क्या है, कैसे विश मांगना चाहते
हो? इतनी बड़ी पार्टी उसके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज मैंने नहीं की, बट यस आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट। और अगर एक विश की बात है जो मैं इसके लिए मानना चाहता हूँ, एक्चुअली फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग आई माइट साउंड सेल्फिश, बट वो सिर्फ इसके लिए नहीं होगी, वो विश हमारे लिए होगी। I really want to be with her forever. वो कैसे भी करके हो, but I just want to be forever, with her forever. And I don't know, whatever it takes, but yes, I say it once again, I want to be with her forever. That's my wish. I want it to happen as soon as possible. I don't know कब, but मैं चाहता हूँ जल्द से जल्द हो जाए।
गाना गाया और गाते गाते हो गए, कैसा मूवमेंट था?
Well, it was a very surprising, a very shocking moment because he's never done that before, and I just guess I had to control myself in order to get him in control because हमारे सारे friends थे, and obviously they were whistling and making fun and having fun, and obviously all are drunk, so but yeah, I really think that was really sweet, very nice of him, very cute, because I frankly felt very special because मेरे birthday की party में he sang like a dedication for me and he got emotional. So what more can a girl ask for, actually?
Actually, I really didn't think that I'll get emotional, but that song was always very close to my heart. मैं हमेशा इसके लिए गाना चाहता था, but never got a chance. And yesterday only मैं अपने कंप्यूटर पे लगा के गाना सुन रहा था, बट मैं एकदम से गाना याद आया. Then I really अभी भी मैं when my friends they asked me to sing, मुझे गाना याद आया, and I wanted I got a chance to sing for her. That song is actually very close to my heart, and I am really glad that मेरे को chance मिला कि मैंने इसके लिए वो गाना गाया. It said to मेरी जान, and she's actually my जान. I really cannot live without her. And yeah, that is it.
Yeah. I really wouldn't say that because I think everybody.
I will say that. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting. The question was for Kishwar, but it's actually because of her that she's been really friendly to all of them on the sets. And that is the only reason you can see all half of the people there on the sets, whether it's Pia, Alina, Arnab, or whosoever, they're on the sets.
David sir couldn't make it because he apparently came yesterday for the party, thinking it's yesterday, and he went back, and then aaj unko Pune mein kuch kaam tha, so he couldn't make it. But otherwise, when he would be here, he already sent his gift for me. So yeah, I mean, I just think everybody in that show we were so good, you know, like we actually behaved and treated each other as family. Like Vivian and Barbies and Arnab, you know, I mean Anupam, we all have gotten really close. Very close.
Especially Vivian and Barbies.
phone kiya, bolte, "Chalo yaar, milte hain yaar, we're missing you." You know,
Exactly.
it's like that.
Especially Vivian
and
and
how he would
Barbies.
just pick up the phone and call up Ritwik and say that I'm missing you, you know, and let's meet.
Exactly. Right now, I would like to say, if she's talking about Vivian, Barbies and Anupam, I would like to say Hrithwik Dhanjani.
Yeah.
Initially,
My
when
Satan.
trust me, when I did my first shot, that was for Hrithwik. I did not like him at all because I auditioned for Jay, okay, and when I came to know that Hrithwik is, you know, selected for that character, I really did not like it at all. But when I came to know him, when I met him, when I talked to him, he's a gem of a person, and right now, he's more than a brother to me. He's more than a brother to me, and I love him. Okay, obviously Kishwar comes to me first, but then, you know, after her, it's Hrithwik. If you talk about Pyar Ki Kahani cast, it's Hrithwik. He will always be very close to my heart.
And another mad guy from
This is Siddhant Karnik as Siddharth, her son, who played her son. At that time I was not in the show, but yes, apparently we are very close to him.
Yeah.
You want to say anything?
I would like to say that I would want to wish Kishwar a very happy birthday, because my mama, she grows older but doesn't look any older. She always used younger. That is why it is a secret of youth cream formula. Yes, I also happen to be using. I'm actually 342 years old.
Are you leaving my shop without saying bye to me? Oh, yes.
Oh, like that. Okay, sorry. So yes.
Yeah.
So yes, in that case, yes, Hrithwik Dhanjani is the closest to me out of the Pyar Ki Kahani cast, and of course she is the closest. But after her, it's Hrithwik Dhanjani, and yes, we really miss Pyar Ki Kahani. I don't know when it got over, I don't know how it got over, but it had to, so it ended. And yeah, there are few people out of the whole cast. We are still attached. We are still, you know, still connected.
You said that, baby.
Now I'm saying it. Sure, yeah. So yes, we are still connected. We still meet whenever we get time, whether it's for a coffee or a dinner. Yeah, we are again planning to meet tomorrow at Vivian's house
To see his engagement video.
where we've danced. I don't know how. After drinking, we've danced. So yeah, we're looking forward to it.
birthday parties चलती रहती है. What is happening on the professional front? अगर आप
Professional front, he's doing Kya Hua Tera Vada on Sony. I am doing a cameo with Rajan Shahi Productions for a new show, Amrit Manthan, on Life OK. And I'm also doing a play called See No Evil, Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil, जिसका अभी हम एक मस्कत में शो करके आए हैं, and lots more shows lined up for the next month. So as of now, that is happening, and let's see. जैसे जैसे काम आगे बढ़ेगा, we'll let you know.
For Kishwar, I'd like to wish a very happy birthday firstly, and everything that life can give to her. I think she's a very vibrant person, and she's lovely to be with, very lively, and that's the way I like her, and that's the way I think life should be with her ahead.
इतना सब कुछ प्लान किया है किशोर के स्पेशली, so what do you want to say about the couple?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's a very happy occasion, of course, and the fact that he's thought so much for her, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and it feels really nice.
उन्होंने अभी एक गाना गाया अंदर उनके लिए स्पेशली डेडिकेट किया.
Yeah.
इमोशनल फीलिंग्स आ गए ऐसे, so
That's very nice. I think love is a very good feeling, और अगर वो इस तरीके से आए तो और भी अच्छी लगती है. I think it's very nice for her. I'm actually very happy for her.
ईश्वर के साथ आप ये शो किया, आप दोनों एक साथ रहे, तो कितनी मेमोरीज उनके साथ जुड़ी हैं? What is the best quality of her?
Actually, I have very fond memories of her because उनकी जो sister है Nureen, she used to study with me in college when I had come here aspiring as an actress, and I was introduced to her then. It's almost 9 years from now that I was introduced to her first, and now that I meet her and I'm doing a show with her, I think it feels very nice because I think the best part about Kishwar is she's a very nice and a very happy person to be around with, you know. I mean, there's an almost energy burst when she comes around. So that's what I like about her, and that's what I wish for her, because she's a very, not just a very beautiful person, but a very lovely person to be around with.
कीश्वर के लिए पर्सनली बहुत सारी विशेष है, बट फर्स्ट मैं कपल के लिए कहना चाहूंगा दे द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल कपल आई हैव एवर मेट, और सुयश लव्स कीश्वर अ लॉट. मैं अभी उससे ये बात कर रहा था. आई वाज लाइक जब उसने वो गाना वगैरह गा रहा था एंड एवरीथिंग इट्स रियली इमोशनल. ही जस्ट लव्स हर अ लॉट, दैट्स ऑल आई नो. एंड कीश्वर इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल 31-year-old आई नो, एंड आई एम वेरी सीरियस. मैंने उसकी गिफ्ट में भी लिख के भेजा था, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल 31-year आई नो, and it's really beautiful, and I wish her all the very best, and I really hope कि इन लोगों का couple goes ahead and they you know eventually get married, and you know they have kids, and you know they very happy merry family, so that we can throw a lot of parties again and again. But I wish both of them a lot of love and luck. I love both of them. Mwah, I love you both.
ईश्वर के साथ क्या फॉन मेमोरीज है? सुयश के साथ आपने उनके साथ एक शो किया है, तो कितना
कीश्वर सुयश के साथ मेरी कितनी फॉन्ड मेमोरीज है, आप कौन सी पूछना चाहेंगे वो बोलो, बिकॉज ऑल माई मेमोरीज आर विद especially Suyash, obviously, as everyone knows us as Khurana brothers and all. Lot of memories, a lot of good times, lot of harsh times there, you know, faced on the sets, working. But you know, every day coming on the sets, hopping, jumping, और सुयश के साथ आना, और वो गाते हुए मेरे को ढूंढता है, और मैं गिटार बजाते हुए उसको ढूंढता हूँ, किधर है, लेट्स डू समथिंग. और जैसे ही 2 मिनट का भी ब्रेक मिला नहीं कि हम लोग मेकअप रूम में जाके बैठ जाएंगे और बजाते हैं. और कीश्वर के साथ मेरी मेमोरी है कि वो जब भी मेरे को देखती है तो गाली देती है. इस बिकॉज जब कभी मैं पास में होता हूँ तो सुयश कीश्वर के साथ नहीं होता, वो मेरे साथ गा रहा होता है, तो कीश्वर हमेशा मेरे को आके गालियां देती है. एंड उसके अलावा कीश्वर के साथ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज लाइक ऑन सेट्स, या बिकॉज टू मी मोस्टली शी इज बिन, हाँ आई रिमेंबर दैट. आई एम श्योर यू गाइज नो एंग्री बर्ड्स. कीश्वर इज अ फैंटास्टिक फॉन्ड ऑफ एंग्री बर्ड्स. सो आई रिमेंबर जब हम लोग, मैंने शो शुरू किया था, मैं पहली बार कीश्वर से मिला था. मी एंड कीश्वर वर हैविंग एंग्री बर्ड फाइट, और वो तब से लेकर आज तक मुझे याद है. रियली स्वीट, शी इज अ डैम स्वीट गर्ल.
What is the one thing that you like about?
Like about her? The one thing which is about her, I would want to say that she's complete. She's not only a kid. जब उसे बच्चा बनना होता है तो वो बच्ची है, बट जब उसे when she has to become an adult, she is. So सुयश की केयर एक मॉम की तरह भी करती है और एक गर्लफ्रेंड की तरह भी करती है. So it's a very good balance. So yeah, I really love that about her.